All right, we're ready to start chapter 4. First lesson is using accounts and preparing and maintaining a chart of accounts. So we're going to construct a chart of accounts for a service business organized as a proprietorship, demonstrate correct principles for numbering accounts, apply file maintenance principles to update a chart of accounts, and to complete the steps necessary to open general ledger accounts. All right, an account form. It's used to summarize in one place all the changes to a single account. And there is a separate form for each account. This is what the account form looks like. Relationship of a T account to an account form is what that says at the top. So information needed to trace entry back to journal page. So that is what you need at the top of the page. You need the account. Which account are we working with? Okay, the date, the item, post reference, and then the debit and credit amounts. And then over here we have a running balance of the account. This is a chart of accounts for Delgado Web Services, which is the company in the book that we've been working with. We have the balance sheet accounts on the left side, the income statement accounts on the right side. Assets are 100 accounts, liabilities are 200 accounts, owner's equity 300 accounts. And then on the right, you have revenue as 400 and expenses as 500. Okay, a group of accounts is called a ledger. So all of the accounts combined is called a ledger. A ledger that contains all accounts needed to prepare financial statements is called a general ledger. And the name given to an account is known as an account title. The number assigned to an account is the account number. All right, this is looking at specific account supplies, how they come up with the number for supplies. So 1 meaning it's an asset account. It is the general ledger division number. And the 50 is the location within the general ledger. Assigning account numbers, the procedure for arranging accounts in a general ledger, assigning account numbers, and keeping records current is called file maintenance. All right, here we have the two accounts, 560 miscellaneous expense and 570 supplies expense. Those are two existing accounts within our general ledger. We want to add one. Here they added postage expense, so it would fall between miscellaneous expense and supplies expense. So in that case, they would have to number it halfway between. So halfway between 560 and 570 would be 565. Okay, and then they added water expense, and it's just coming at the end of the general ledger account there, so you would go in an increment of 10. Okay, so it would be 580. All right, opening an account in a general ledger. So writing an account title and number on the heading of an account is called opening an account. So in this case, we're opening the account cash. So we're going to write the account title cash after the word account in the heading. And then write the account number 110 afterwards, account number in the heading. Pretty simple. Describe the two parts of an account number. Logan.
Like the general ledger part of it, which is the first number, and then there's just the ledger part of it, which is the last two numbers.
Okay. So the first number is the division, or what division it falls under, and the other two, the location within the ledger. So the first digit indicates which general ledger division, second and third indicate the location of the account. What's the 2 steps for opening an account? Let's see, that should be easy. Everybody should be able to answer that. Anna. Okay. You're going to put on the account title and the account number at the top. Okay. Pretty easy lesson here.